If your air conditioner keeps tripping the safety float switch, it means the condensate drain is overflowing or the float is being triggered repeatedly. Start by turning the system off to prevent damage. Locate the condensate drain access, usually a PVC line near the indoor air handler or a pan under the unit, and inspect for standing water. Use a wet-dry vacuum at the drain line outlet to pull out clogs and debris, running it for at least 1 full minute while monitoring water flow. This is one of the most effective home remedies for hair, mold, and sludge buildup. Flush the drain with warm water mixed with a 1/4 cup of household bleach or white vinegar to break down biofilm, then follow with plain water until it runs clear. Do this monthly in humid seasons to prevent recurrence. Check the condensate trap if present by removing and refilling it to make sure it is not airlocked and that water flows freely through the trap to the drain. Inspect the float switch by gently lifting and lowering it to ensure it moves freely and does not stick. If the float feels rough or stuck, clean around the mounting and float stem and replace the switch if it still jams. After cleaning, restart the unit. Observe for normal operation and watch the drain for proper flow for at least 30 minutes to confirm the issue is resolved. Common mistakes include assuming the float switch is bad when the drain is clogged, which leads to unnecessary replacement. Always clear and flush the drain first, and only replace the switch if it still trips after the drain is clean. Another frequent problem is neglecting the condensate trap, which can hold air and prevent proper drainage. Remove, refill, and reseat the trap so gravity and pressure allow consistent flow. A third issue is using strong chemicals that can damage glue joints and PVC or harm septic systems. Use diluted vinegar or a mild bleach solution. Avoid caustic drain cleaners, and if you must use stronger treatments, call a professional who can inspect the system for corrosion or hidden blockages. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who respond to these kinds of drain and safety switch problems and allows contractors to find work from nearby customers. We also host an active discussion community where we share troubleshooting tips, ask questions, and swap recommendations so everyone can find practical help.